Ready to ditch expensive phone systems and build your own VoIP powerhouse? In this video, we'll show you how to set up a Kvm Vps and integrate it with Telnyx to create a flexible and cost-effective calling solution. First, you'll need a Kvm Vps. Choose a provider that offers reliable performance and root access once your VPS is provisioned. Grab the IP address and login details usually provided via email. We need root access to install all necessary software packages to set up our VoIP server. Now, using SSH, connect to your VPS. We're going to install the core software that handles VoIP calls. This typically involves updating the package lists, installing asterisk or F or epbx, and any other dependencies. The specific commands vary slightly depending on your operating system. Next, we need to configure the network. This often means setting up your firewall to allow SIP/PAN or TP traffic. Telnyx uses specific ports for communication, so you'll need to open those ports in your firewall. Also be sure to configure NAT settings if your VPS is behind one. Now, head over to the Telnyx portal. You'll need to create an account. If you don't already have one, get your API key and create a new SIP connection. This connection will link your VPS to Telnyx's network, enabling you to make and receive calls. Back on your VPS, configure your VoIP software with the Telnyx SIP connection details. This involves entering the username, password, and registration server provided by Telnyx. Make sure your software is properly registered with Telnyx. Finally, it's time to test your setup. Use a soft phone or a physical SIP phone to make a test call. If everything is configured correctly, you should be able to make and receive calls through your Telnyx-powered VPS. You've successfully set up your own VoIP solution. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tutorials.